Hi, this is Heather, the Fed Up Foodie, where I inspire busy people who love to cook and bake so that you feel inspired in your kitchen. Today I'll be sharing my 30-minute green bean stir fry with chicken. Creating homemade stir fries at home with delicious smoky unami flavors really is easy with these tips. And don't forget, if you like this recipe, to follow along for more easy and tasty recipes that your family will love. Cut the chicken into thin strips and place into a bowl. To the chicken, add toasted sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and cornstarch. Mix well and let marinate for 10 minutes. Doing this enhances the flavor and helps to seal in the juices of the chicken. Another important tip is to cut and prepare all the ingredients and sauces before the actual stir-fry cooking starts. This will help to make for a seamless cooking process. One of the most important parts of making amazing homemade stir-fries is to cook over high heat with a very hot wok. You will know the wok is ready for the oil when it starts to smoke slightly. Add the chicken and spread into a single layer. Let the chicken sit and sear for 1 to 2 minutes, and then using a long-handled wooden spatula, begin tossing. Let it cook for an additional 5 minutes. Transfer the chicken to a separate clean bowl and place the wok back over high heat with 2 teaspoons more of sesame oil. Add green beans and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes, and then add the chicken broth. Let the green beans continue to cook, tossing occasionally until the broth evaporates. Transfer green beans to the chicken bowl. It is important to cook the stir fry in stages so that the chicken and green beans do not overcook. Also, this prevents the wok from becoming overcrowded. Overcrowding causes a steamed effect rather than the delicious seared flavor that stir fries are known for. Once the green beans have been transferred to the chicken bowl, place the wok back over high heat with 2 more teaspoons of sesame oil. Add the garlic and ginger and cook for just 30 seconds, and then add the onion. Stir fry the onion, tossing consistently until sweating, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add the wine. Continue tossing for another 1 to 2 minutes before stirring in the chili garlic sauce mixture. Continue tossing for another minute. Add in the remaining chicken broth and toss for 1 more minute or so. Turn off heat and add the chicken and green beans back to the wok. Stir well. This stir fry tastes amazing served over brown rice, cauliflower rice, quinoa, jasmine, or basmati rice. For the full recipe and even more in-depth stir-frying tips, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com.